In this video, we are going to discuss about very rarely used tags, that is subscript and superscript. In our screen, we are seeing one mathematical formula for n sum of n numbers, n, n square or n cube, and the square and the cube are written over the letters, that is called superscript. And in this screen, we are seeing the chemical formula for water, that is H2O. This number 2 is written below this letter. This is called subscript. Now we can see how to display this kind of superscript and subscript in our HTML page. So here in our HTML page, I have used superscript tag to display sum of n numbers and used subscript tag to display water formula. Now we can see how to write code in HTML for these formulas. In HTML, we have SUP tag for a superscript and SUB tag for a subscript. So if we want to display anything in this format, we can use superscript tag and subscript tag. So guys, now it's your turn to do some small exercise. I want you guys to try to code in HTML for any algebra formula which we are showing here. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and aluminum sulfate formula Al2SO4 and 3. So guys, try it yourself for these two formula. Thank you. Next, we are going to discuss about line break and horizontal rule, and also we are going to see about what is self-closing tag. In our screen, we are seeing two address 1 and address 2, but both the addresses are displaying in single individual line. But I want to display house number and apartment name in one line, and street name in next line, and a district name in another next line. To add a line break, we have BR tag in HTML. I'm going to add this BR tag wherever I want a line break. So I want a line break after my apartment name, after my street name, after that the district name. Same I'm going to apply for the address 2 also. Now I added my BR tag wherever I want a line break. Now we can see the output for this HTML page. Now both the addresses are displaying as expected. Next, I want to add one horizontal line after both the addresses. To add a horizontal line, we have a HR tag in HTML. So now I'm going to add this HR tag wherever I want a horizontal line. So I need a horizontal line after one address. So after second address also I need a horizontal line. Let me see the output for this now. Now we can see the horizontal line after each addresses. These two tags are called self-closing tag, meaning we saw some tags previously and there was some content to be added before its closing, but there is no any content to be added for these two tags. So the BR tag and HR tag are called self-closing tags, and there will not be closing tag for these two tags. Adding forward slash is optional here. It's your time to code in HTML for this screen. A poem is written in this page and try to display each and every lines as same like this. We are going to discuss about semantic markup tags, that is strong and emphasis tag. Strong tag is similar to bold tag, and emphasis tag is similar to italic tag. Now you all will have a question then, what is difference between strong and bold and emphasis and italic tag? Bold tag and italic tags are introduced before presentation layer was found. Bold tag and italic tags are called styling tag, and that will apply dark style and slanting letters to differentiate from others, where strong tag and emphasis tag are introduced after presentation layer was found. Strong tag and emphasis tags are represents the importance of the word. However, it is an indication of how something should be understood. In this screen, we are seeing two sentences: beware of dogs and India won gold medal in Olympics. Thank you. If this video is useful for you, then like and share with your friends. If you have any questions, type in a comment section. Happy learning. Thank you.